Thank you, brother and sister Kukishe. I really thank for their hospitality. Hi, my name is Janlhah. Oh, and being a pastor of the tangkhul community, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ community moi Kukishe ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ young TV ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ. Oh, if they allow me to speak in the media, I'll speak the truth. Okay, ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯕꯨ ꯀꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ. And I misana witness sabani. So my brother and sisters Cookie, they treat us well and they are so. I thank for their hospitality. And the clothes that I wear, it was a present from the headman of this village. And hujik aiki brother haibdo. Akhoi assume akhoi lunch amdabani ko. Lunch amdabani. Hanagi noi Iran thoba aduda akhoi yawdabani. Tango ko. Yawing them deputy. Oi kana moi kana kudai privacy of way. Why not do work in the idol? In fact, I did. I am ready to farm the land of school. And I want to educate the younger generations that we should not engage in war. The cookies and tangkhul should not engage in war. I'm some ready. I land already the go. I bomb the bunny. Christ is coming very soon. Christ is coming very soon. And the science that he has predicted is all comes true. Bishik manungda aikoina kukiga aikoi tangkhul apangba aikoina hui anigi manungda sharu hapirga aikoibu atum khatnahanbado I shupam bamdabne. I will let us speak in if they give me a platform to speak in media, I'll really speak this to. We should not make this war. Okay. I no koi mayam among the show among the ina. I will convince to my community to stop this. Yeah. Thank you so much.